my baby. I just want to say,
Artist Ray.
More mix with the idiot them.
Bad artist.
Yeah, bad artist, Ray.
Right now, me drop something right now on the football field.
Hey,
He plays mash up.
Charlie Blacks go say red like a old there, you out there, man. Go say some little idiot coming out, living around. You come from the rain like one man and push him out.
Hey. Yeah, for
I
that.
You diss me blood clot out there. You don't need it out there next show.
Yo,
You don't need it out there next show, man.
roll a running, man. Roll a running.
Don't need it out there next show. I tell me I check him and he said, tell me I'm busy. I'm afraid to do this, I'm afraid to do that. I said, bread out and I go up on the show. Man says, some sick me, I do my busy. I said, then lose how much blood clot, I'm on the chicken every fucking thing.
Eh?
Man, yo, this is man. I need to run taxi, no remember nothing.
You tell say yeah, if they go. I want to say, he wrote busy. Say wrote busy.
Man, if you go back, you go see Richie.
Richie pass load.
Pass in a wish.
Load.
Load.
He
You can't bother go, brother.
have to wish.
You can't bother go, brother. Bother God, you know.
Wish them nice now.
Yeah,
Wicked
yeah, we wish them
And
nice.
when they say Motiva Banagan is a wicked bitch, that's what they
Don't tell us
say.
when we walk up Taliban one day. They walk over Bola, you know. The Taliban park 50 and I walk here, man. I need the pan. 2 man. How much you wish, man? Chrissy, man. I can't come find out. If you get some insurance money, I need to see me.
How are you saying to him, Emin?
Yeah, me wow, boy, Taliban.
When you look around, I see you watch
Hey, which Chrissy, sir?
Yeah.
Nobody wish the Krishna give you. Oh, hey,
You know what I love wish yet? I didn't tell him say what type of wish and I type of wish.
Look here. You should have seen. You should have seen when Taliban they ain't free wish, yeah, man. When he climb up there, he put on the rope around his neck and he said, I need my wish. Give me my wish, else I'm going to hang myself. Ah, the video with him, boy. Taliban, see the video you did. I want you.
Oh shit.
I want to get one friend, I think I have some money, some phone, some champion, I'm tight jeans on my shirt. And come on 2 weeks and into and camera, bro. Done everything, go back up. And I make it. What's up, baby? Davy.
Davy, come here, Davy. Come here.
Anytime you call him, he picks up his face.
Yeah, you ain't no mate, man. I first be afraid of me, no be afraid of me. How I go on? What time you at school? We didn't see him for yesterday. I mean, I look for him.
And Rasta call him.
When James come back,
Davina.
you same. So you gone on road. If you come back, you never come back.
You come back. You come back and I call anybody there.
Where do I tell my girl on us?
You come on and beat me and this ask man to play that me know. Me went so long so I didn't play that me know. I said, Sophia, Tana, Jaime, nobody answer.
Man.
No, you around it, I do. I think you do the open. Because right this up, the song, this song, man, this. We say I talk and I laugh whole time. And at night, me left for so. If I write this up, nobody knows, me no see.
So we're not going nowhere.
Because when I call him, he say, Sophia, because I have beef.
African show, can you play Sophia here, brother?
Even one girl from where your friends, I want one blue car, me see. One girl from where your friends, what's your name? What a, she come from what a Anna them this up.
Okay?
Chicken sister.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me see her yes up. Me and Greg this up, me see her.
Show blue, she might do it. My ISIS on cheese.
Yeah. I go up to Gavlin or so. Give me a beer now, no. I jeep now and go, you know. Can that me I tell you about? That one 30 year ago that. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah man, yeah man. Ain't living there, man.
Yeah, I can't believe if the boy will come after, you know.
Yeah.
What we call him uncle. I mean to build up this and let it go on. I watch it. So to him, when the mash from him, I tell him, say, you rent him it. Come to a time, no way. start make noise. So you want it.
You want it? Not for build a room. Like I'm will so. But ranking, yeah. You know, so that's something to do. Why put this so? That rank, all this rank, you know. This is upon the road, you know, man. You can lick off anytime, you know. A road limit in too far over. That's why, if you notice in time, if you turn the steps so, figure out look something there.
You couldn't do it.
Yeah. It's too far, that's something too. A room you build, man. Space there, man.
Behind.
Space there. And you have to build from bottom, go up. You see me? And then Ileana, man. What else is supposed to tear down, you know? Oh, nobody live out there? Oh. Over them want go. But you have to tear away, my youth. But you have to tear away, man. You have to tear away, man. Because one time you could even walk on the side, you know? Yeah. I'm surprised you're not tear away. Yeah. Yeah, more stone or rocks over there. Yeah, some rocks over there, same now, not tear away. See that? J.A. on the trelawny side. See the scheme there, eh? Bottom and eating. I don't know what that's obviously. You don't know. I don't want to build some. I have to tank it, but want something underneath the bottom too, you know. Eh? Yeah, I understand, you know. But in build it wrong, we should put the front facing up, so. Until that's a nice back. You have more space. Yeah.
Like how I turn my house.
Yeah. And turn it make to me 7 to make veranda. Yeah, now more space. I done build already. You know build no plan, no? You know build no plan.
People are below shit plan. That's why I turn my house so in a car you are going. I could have turn it like what my mother was still.
Yeah.
Turning out the face. So. But if I turn it so I get more space, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean I tell you, when you turn the thing get more space.
When I look on the vision there, I say, Lord God, drive off the road there, so. A nice piece of upstairs on top, you see me?
Yeah, yeah, I will come around so come see your your mother.
Yeah.
When I come in at night and obviously.
Yeah, that again, I don't want to line up it, see them like how fear line up and then, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know something about Tanny? I'll tell you
No, Mr. Tanny, no, I can't get a man, man.
You see him already?
No, I never said, Mr. Tanny, what are you yesterday?
No, I know that man talk about. See,
Brim, what go on? Eh? Oh, don't you roll there? Mr. Road that. The man that called you now, tap him. Eh? But one of them man come and time with public friend. You know anything I was going on when you drive taxi and you do certain things that's the link and other stuff or Brim father drive bus, you know. You're their father, right? About 2 of them, your father drive bus got a town, man. I feel for him Brim. What they call him must be Brim Road or something like that. Yeah, your father drive bus just like them. For years, a bus your father drive. Yeah, man, bus your father drive. I ran off her. But you buy the grave money? And I back.
Oh. I remember some grave on it.
You know, can't dig up your grave?
No, I dig up no blood clot grave. You see what I'm up a bit of it.
What am I?
You say, man, them dig up grave and I paid off for them.
Which part?
I mean, there's nothing to go. You see, brother, how they lit down. The car lit down. Brother, how drive the car lit down, man, you know, say. A tree man, you see.
Oh, and he swing out that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And I see him there, then self salon up there and dig up grave.
Oh, shit.
So they must say that. What going on?
What gone, man of God. Eh? So, a cameraman. And a picture of Jenna. I go, what you do with? There's some video down the road there, you know? Eh, that go on. Why don't Jenny, I spend that money, I mean, few grass and I know. Yeah, jump on chair, get big and dig a board place, you know. I get big.
Yeah, so some of them bro.
Oh yeah, it's a beer already, so. Thank you for that. Miss Jenny! How are you going?
You know, pass it to the girl for road, man.
On our church?
Oh, Miss Jenny move out early, you know.
Shanika! Shanika saying go round, man.
Shanika, Miss Jenny, I left Shanika in yard, man. Oh, Shanika carry money now.
You see that?
Mighty, alone right now.
Mighty! Now look what they're saying, I'm meeting with her.
The post dog down.
That dog too. Man a dog, you know. You want Wally? Mint one I use. But I don't want to mint. I don't mint more want. Coming at Miss Jenny yard gun thief. I don't see that no man. I don't see that more. I look for they have mint already, I don't want to mint. What is it? What is Smiley? Okay, I can't smell. I don't know what this is, people. Dog no bite foreigner, man. Yes. I look for fever grass. See Miss Jenny garden. You can't see no foreigner boy, you got prison. Because people here pick sitting. Sitting drop, brother. See that what is my youth? At first me answer this sir. Miss Jenny must know this sir. See if it's really good. Because I know that's not blurry, man.
Maybe I weed,
But I say, maybe I weed. Miss Jenny I burn up your high grade weed. That's something, I don't know what this is, brother.
Look at rosemary, I don't know.
Rosemary that? No, good though. Tawa. But I'm Google now. Google. Google. I say. I sell it to Boko. Yeah, then go there. Yeah. Oh, you wear some muscle beer, so? True, man. True, man. Mala, man. Great mala, man. One time I was at a big house on the corner, man. Yeah. No. So why they build a big house garage now? What kind of car there? For a long time, you buy. That's supposed to clean, you know? Come on, you want Ford for a long time. Yeah, and that back, and then just come out. Yeah, man. At first, I saw. No, we go for yard one time, like, we go on the veranda one time. And I just have enough picking up that, you know, and it's gone, so. Yeah. I think I do them in this, yeah, fight. Yeah, man, that's what we are talking about. Paddy here, send this one. Paddy here, I see that this land, this one. I'm not feast, I know.
Oh, buy.
No, say my name he was supposed to man busher them, come on, busher for what somewhere said. He was a Miss Jenny and Miss my busher, but Jenny father and busher brother my youth.
I know about that, brother.
Yeah, man. He man named Curry. Not them brother.
Curry.
My busher and them brother my youth or something, my uncle or something like that.
Oh, my
Yeah. What's the something family them brother? Good land them all there, so.
Years of good land, man.
Yeah, man.
See, if a man have your money, brother, buy this and lick down this. Put up a nice house, so you'll never believe, brother.
That's true, man. On the scheme, yeah.
Yo, you know, you all go out, so Jenny them used to listen.
Yeah, and bag of them, you say, so. And the whole of man, you say, right, so bag of them.
What's next name?
In Dubai, man. I name again, man. Doggy, that's your name?
Doggy.
Yes. It's Man King's house, man. It's corner, what they say. Yeah. That was chemo. A government house, that, you know?
Government house, yeah, man.
Miss Pearl, I want to.
I live over Kingsley, them.
I don't know where they.
Somebody live there.
Got close, where they? Some girl in my one time. Yeah. Plum tree there years, you know. See plum tree the muffler the back up Eddie's them, you know. I know this one I mean one time with
Muffler.
me and Evan and Richie did that share one time. Open that chair with plum. I'm not for come here so and I sing and I say, you keep telling lies in me. I'm gonna get. Yeah, and then Miss Blast and say, hold him Blackie, you know so. One summertime, man. That's summertime plum come out, man, in September when the school is closing down it too. I want to start with the funny.
Plum tree did grow come over here, sir?
Yeah, man.
Plum is dropping high road.
They still bear plum, right? No look so.
I know, sir.
Probably actually not plant the plum season yet.
Maybe.
Famous plum tree, yeah, and I set the same way for years, never move. Enough good land there, sir, youth.
You know, other tree I may look for, you know.
What
You know what this? I want to sit in the guava.
Oh, you want a salt guava them?
No, man, I salt.
Red gut?
I think a Chinese guava.
Oh, Chinese guava. Oh, yeah, right. A Chinese guava, that, yeah. You did it for years.
Years, brother, and it tree look young, see him, you know, look.
Yeah.
Right? You know what I mean?
It's all of me, you know, man.
Yeah. I just look for you, and I say, remember that tree,
And I always said, Germany is living now. I think it's a Kimberley born. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Forgot to tell the boy for the man name. Did I get you now? Oh, okay. So you say man want to put you, Smiley? You say man want to put you? My man is not, you know. Yeah. But I want to ask when go do that. When can this come for?
I don't know, brother. Cause now no gas on sitting.
Gas in your cell light?
I don't know, but no gas them are sitting there well, brother.
You say no smoking point there, so. So you try to cut the blast up.
Yo, this as dear as it be now, no bother.
You know no bother?
No for the right so because there's nothing one can do with it right.
You know, one they plan to do that. You just buy this as a further money and just go like was. Then just build. For no reason at all. You know, like you don't get man. Also, I was the wholesale now. But when you try that, just lift up and put your voice on the paint and just have if you say, you know, like Bob Marley house. Yeah. In a light. Nah, I'm glad. Over there?
Nobody over there.
Yeah, man. But grave over there, you know, youth.
Grave over there?
Yeah, man. That's over there, junction, man.
Oh.
I hope I grave back at them. Most of them I got grave back at them, man, youth. It's Ruby house over there. Ugly. Brother Wayne. They're sick, man. You're cool. What go on? Maylin. You got fever grass over there? Yeah, you know. Yeah. You have no fever grass around there?
No, you have to check down our deacon on your house.
Deacon are down there?
I don't have to watch it.
A butter mouse?
Yeah.
Alright.
Morning.
Morning, Maylin. Morning.
What are you on time for? You have to do morning.
There are 2 morning, Maylin have done, man. Me tell him. I'm not left with none now. I saw Maylin for tell him one time and say, you can't say morning, man. Say, me give me, man. You have 2 morning. I mean, I have none left. Hey, some people vex me and say, man, if you tell them morning, you're done. Hungry at Jamaica, you know? Stand there, some people tell them morning, you know, sir.
Bobby, I tell them busher dogs. I'm not going nowhere else and see them busher. I'm kind of busher.
That's true, man. And then grow and look up blacks in there, they get black, right? Yeah. But the feed the bird, I eat them. The bird eat them.
Birds supposed to eat them.
Them little thing I grow, man. See the something I grow.
Yeah.
Them little thing.
No, man, a different bush that's a different bush that's in a brother.
Which one I talk?
That the bush there. Them a bush right there, so. Different from this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Them a grow the little berry like it.
I didn't want to pick and beat picking in our school, man.
Yeah.
Because they're straight, they grow straight.
Don't have some see them, brother. Don't have some man's
They're in school, they grow right into the school. Then we get this school.
Them they also say no go broke, man.
Yeah, you say you carry them money, they check at them straight.
I don't see them no, I never go nowhere else, not trelawny, I see them.
I'm not going to not Jamaica, I see them,
You see me, I say? That's why they say some things in a Catholic country, you know what?
Yeah, well, never, you know else, yeah. Yeah, because some bird, I never see it, you know.
Aye.
You see me? I go at Deacons and see it.
Dog over there.
Dog, smell you for a dog? They don't say man a dog, so one goat, yeah.
Man a dog, me a dog, brother.
Goat there, yeah. Hey, man a dog. Fuller!
Dog, them know your brother.
Behind them. Fuller! I ground there, yeah, man. But you can't pass up. Fuller! Can't do it. That I want to know. Great, yeah. History. Merely, I say fever grass on there, sir? Fever grass on there? I come there. You're on there, sir. I don't know about them. Yeah. Okay, I go down here. You know, scan that bag the mailing. That me say you don't have none. So, and dog.
Your dog is sick, man.
One time, you know, when the mighty white girl come to Jamaica, you know. So, one dog, you know. Out of miss punch, out of, I leave her, you know, so.
Where you live close to them?
No, sir, down the far, down the Mercy Maryland. I'm not close to her. To the far, I'm not close to none of them, not even Steve, not that close to. In that further. Then they far from me. And you see dog and I go, oh my God, it's so cute. I say, go on with them, man. I say, go on. Yeah, what you mean? I said, go. What happened to you? Oh, it's so sweet. So sweet, so saucy. There's a bush up there, bush up sometime, you know. You cannot see.
May I say about 20 different kind of tree, brother.
Yeah.
That's what I know say, yo. I want different kind of place to live in and the people them want to come mine here.
That's true, man. And this true. All in something, yeah. You never see them this. You don't see them nowhere else.
All in the cockpit country.
But the funny thing, you know, you was anything I grew up on red dirt. Like you know, go to you know, Pop.
Manchester?
No, man. So you know, go up where pine grow, and pine bush grow. At this and they grow.
Oh, Zane.
If you go up to Pen and go to a place, like where a fence.
Yeah.
I just them alone. Nothing else grow, you know.
True.
Them alone. Yeah. So if for them grow, so you know, it's something. You know what I mean? So let me say a place blessed. This thing you know grow now more than pan red dirt, brother.
Alright, you know what you teach me a while ago now. Alright, you see the red dirt them, brother?
Yeah.
Like them you really find the backside you know.
Yeah.
So basically what that could have mean is that you're so rich in a backside you know?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why they want mine it.
You see me?
But Jamaica rich period no man you. That's why they want mine, you know, my lad.
So that's why certain kind of
Cause
plants you only find.
Alright, you know say no dirt at all. No they are fine for mine. They never mind that foreign no. No it's Japan, they never mind America, you know.
Yeah man.
They don't mind over there. Only in the capital country in Africa. They don't mind it. Baby! How am I general? Hey, got someone there, man. Eh? Yeah, man. Eh? Eh? You know. You to feed me no smiley. Yeah. Yeah, couscous they make bloom or something like that they make. You see me? For real, man. Yeah, man. Cause baby used to feed me on that time, you know? For real, man. You good? Yeah, we used to follow. Yeah. Yeah, man, when they be some time, they feel hungry now. I told man, hey, you do me a thing one time, I say, what go on? How did it? Eh?
Papa school, hold on. Hold on, Papa school.
You know, so one time, baby. Eh?
You Papa school?
I don't know, man.
Papa school general, man.
Eh?
I'm on the
Eh?
lane.
Hey, Smiley. One day, you know. You want Jenny donkey now. Where you buy donkey from again? My mountain donkey? I'm mountain, man. I'm mountain donkey, I have a Jenny donkey, man. And baby tell me, baby, nah, Jenny donkey to the town still, you know. Because they don't know girls with a donkey. Baby say, yeah, man, come on, man. I go walk in the house, man, because I'm going to go be there and sit and left go to market. I feel good now myself now, you know. You see me there out of spring out there, so? That don't chill. One car come pick up baby, jump in the car and say, me see you later, man. You say me come to the town with the donkey, as we come through, so. School go bus. Me bum. With the Jenny donkey. Yo. Yeah. That up on the donkey, you want nobody on a young girl here ride a donkey, you know. Yeah, man. It's funny though. Eh? Yeah, man, yeah. That's true, man. Yeah. Look more baby, man, you don't know, you see it. Hey, Boji. Whatever Vanessa say that though. Eh? Yo, you don't know mint over them, what you call it? Fever. Buju, what fever grass? We don't see it.
Fever grass, you there.
Alright, this sir? Alright, this sir?
The fever grass there.
Alright, that. Big one bag now, please. Scan a bag or something. Oh, no,
Scan
no,
a
no.
You look fever grass and I know name.
Make Mr. Clark come down to Funny Road here.
Vanessa,
Good morning.
what go on? Gay.
Mr. Clark come down the road.
Gay, what go on, gay? That's that, you know why you know Smiley? The pig don't want to say that. Butcher and a knife for you. Give you a grass. Come in, man. Yeah, knife for you. Let me knife you, brother. Got a few grass in there.
Spend time with him too. There's two parents, not one.
Oh, can I two parents? Get out of
What?
Okay, I two parents. Get out of
Why don't me alone get him?
When father can't come look for him like everybody else's father.
What?
When father can't come look for him
What,
like
you hear that, brother?
He has to work. He has to work.
you
He has a job.
you're selling down.
Take care of him.
You're
Which
selling
I do
down
have
man
somebody?
knowing say man if you got work.
Where do I hear that?
What kind of
Needs
mother are
very
you?
comfy.
He wants him.
The bush ain't company this way. Tana, you know, I got church.
Don't know.
Tana acting from over there now.
Tana, they got church.
What join there?
I don't like you.
Yeah, no man.
Tana like. You cool if you take picture in your pink baggy.
What's your plan then, Kenny?
The what?
Are you planning?
Me?
I can plan him all long one. Can you plan what I say now?
Tell him a fresh life.
The kid them their pen.
You ain't got no.
Which bandit? God. Which party is
Why didn't why didn't decide to put the grave on that? You know house over there?
Oh, see there, man.
So why didn't put the grave in that front?
But saying live so long, you know. Deacon them
Yes.
grandparents. I want the house there, so one small house, you know. This house never there, so no. See house, you know.
I know about this house a long time, brother.
Yeah, I want to look house there, so we go. If you build one weird way, you can box. You have to walk in. I want one pasture in there, so.
Not baby tea them, I live there, no someone.
Yeah, baby, tea them born and grow, so. That's a deacon them born and grow and there, so.
So this a big house never there. That's not something.
Yes, mommy?
But back then they never used to.
The what?
My feet used to come in from so, you know.
Watch out, if I have to drop the grave over his side, okay?
Then I think, man, back then, you put here, so.
I must have errands for them.
Right, this is how I come back. Right, this is how I come. Cross road and then we come. See? Shante, later here. Vanessa, later here. Vanessa. Vanessa, tell Gail later here.
Tell mommy I'll catch up with her later. Tell mommy I'll catch up with her later, okay? No, sir.
Biggie Boo. I know where the Biggie Boo live. Carry on. Biggie Boo. There's a work pan house here. Put enough labor pan house here now. How go on, brother? Where are you, Biggie Boo there? Got a church? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Tell him send classmate there, call him, man. You know, say me work pan house here. Yeah, me do enough work pan house and I leave no pay me. You in there, sir? Eh? How go on, brother?
Yes. I'm on the lookout for.
Eh. Ah, yeah, man. I mean, put in enough for them work, man. All the rest of me dig out some stone.
Let's lean up here.
I know, when there? I'm going to look for him, you know. All long as I dig out here, I walk up there, I say I'm goofy and Bucky there one day and goofy I call it, by the way. I mean, I'm Bucky there at work. I'm going to say to goofy, say, come here, they call bother people. I get shut your curtain. Now, we have to tell them all up, so I out. Goofy run down and show me something, I can look all house there, so you know. Remember my house there, so Smiley? Yeah, one house there, so man, I look old man in that, man. Yeah. I want a man down there too.
Eh?
One,
Remember, cramp
yeah.
the house there, so.
One house there, so. Yeah, man, when Nick tried him live at time too after that. Yeah. One blind man live there, yeah. And the man down there too.
Eh? Aye.
Ah, yeah.
Eh?
Eh? Hey, do it, man. Hey, there's a man, an old man. Why man in him again? Yeah.
I told them I live with it.
Yeah, man, he was saying name, forgot him, I'm an Andrews, you know Andrews? Man, yeah, I'm an Andrews brother there, so man. They want the brother, my Andrews and a bad let's see man name, man. But tell what man name? But tell what man name? Moody.
I don't remember any name, brother.
I'm Mr. Moody's son, brother, father. You don't move them from Staten Drive, we ball it, brother. There.
man,
Wanna call people? What name again?
I'm moody, man. I'm moody.
What you have and call the cow them?
Phil, man.
Philman father live, man.
No, man, I'm not Phil, man, father, brother.
Philman uncle did that some of you.
Man, Limonius in a
Limonius, alright. You see man name Mr. Moody.
Mark Kenna Phil, man, father, man.
Alright, you see I'm marking them family too, man. You see man name Moody. We have one son and I must say a DJ, so his name must say Rolling Dice. And then father live there, man. A Moody man in there. Another one there, man. One different one. One different youth. I'm Moody, I'm Mr. Moody land, man.
Butchie them would know this house, man.
Eh?
You don't know that.
Yeah, man, alright. Yeah, Crampy House. And I was at this, man, next to them, they live in them, man. You want next to them? Yeah. That's true, man.
Right side of the house. Jump from the drop and roll.
Alright. You know the one church over there, so?
Yeah, man. I know, man.
Yeah. Rapid church over there, yeah. Yeah, man, rapid church over there, man. Binam. Say it again. CJs. What are you doing? I'm house there, so you know. What go on?
I don't know say
I'm house there right here, so. Remember me live, so?
Where?
Yeah, somebody live.
don't know.
Down there, so where tree there.
Remember where I was.
No, man, where tree there, man.
I didn't even so far down.
They're right next to the tree there, so, man.
Suppose my telephone house and there.
Yeah, me know, Miss Binam house.
Where are you dealing? No, me no video, man.
Dot.
Me no video, man. Who do video? Who do video? You don't go to church?
Dirty Tishy.
I got the car about.
Oi. Give it to me, because I live there. Don't give it to Deacon. Give it to me, because I live near to the church. And Deacon don't have a driveway. Don't give it to Deacon. Don't give it to Deacon, Pastor. No, Pastor say, Brother Powell, I'm thinking about buying a car, you know. But I can't drive. But I know you're a good driver. Yeah, man, no. Yeah, Pastor, no. Yeah, Pastor. I meet now, you know. I meet in the car. Yo. No, no. So, Pastor say, but I will give it to you, you know. Because you're the deacon of the church. The deacon. But you're the deacon, you're pastor, you're fixing it now. But Pastor, you can't give it to him. I have the license, give it to me. And I live close to the church. Yo. And the pastor buy one Honda. I asked me to come, man. I got to come back. You want to call you? Alright, let me come back and link you. Zane? You come back from church same time, right? Alright. Eh? The man said, "Bye, give me." It's a Honda, you know, Pastor. Don't give it to Deacon. You don't have a driveway. I live close to the church. Yeah, man, a Honda, Pastor, the buy. Tana! Yeah, you know, it's Honda. If you clear driver, the Pastor don't. Yeah. So what go on? Mountain. Boy. Yeah, Benny. Tana. I'm going to look to you in find now. How do you have my out? You broke your hand?
Oh, yeah.
I did.
Yeah, easy one.
Got some man for real. Sasso. The great Sasso, man. Why man live as a name again? I don't go border, sir.
Crampy.
No, man. Next to Crampy.
Next who?
Where Lee buy a place them from, man. I'm Moody man in name.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the right, man. Come I know me the right, you know, brother. I know me right, Dan. I like cash me off, Bobby.
You just a man on the prison, man.
Yeah, go on, listen, man.
Let's put you on, boss.
Oh, only cash me off, man.
It's you. It's you. Oh, boy, everything blessed.
Everything good, man.
Yeah, man, I'm more life, man.
See, man, I know. Ask me girl name where they ask you.
Oh, Sandra. Oh, you know Sandra right name?
forgot to, you know, say Taliban, you know, say Mother.
Taliban say no remember her name either. So if you ask you.
I remember her name, man.
How are the man say they see her now? I say my lifestyle girl here now.
Who's it? American, you know?
How that me here?
American, you know, man. American, you know, easy, man.
Over.
American, you know, man.
Bang your car.
I don't know, so since we see him brother Thursday when time I got a bone specialist.
Yeah?
Mm.
I'm up here. John Star.
Thursday, I see brother, man.
Because I don't want to find a girl, man. I don't have to see her now. We just say, yo. Cora, what go on? What go on, brother? Doing great. Real, my Jenna. What go on, brother? Real.
I wonder if you have put some up to you in there. I hope you have push out them.
Yeah. Sanja.
Bobby, what going?
But this time I know Sanja. I'm not going to know Sanja. Anytime I tell me this man, when they used to do it, so I'm a boo. Then I wrote that every morning, then come and bend and name me dirt. You. I choose them stone. No matter you take them out there, then tissue knows nasty.
Yeah, fuck. You know, man.
Yeah, I'm a boo. Two of them used to come right outside the daytime and bend down. And I hit the dirt them this and the stone them. All the boy I see them touch it. Put them in them all and take them out of the dirt and keep them.
So since you come and go look at they go look for the girl right now.
I'm going to man. Yeah, I'm going to man. Yeah, don't let her talk to Susan nowadays for a long time. Tana! I'll go my wife, come here. Tana, I mean, Tana said, I'm going to look to you. What do you see? Tishy, how do you do? That me say, you come. No man can come in on my YouTube. You know?
You me came into.
I'm not going to start.
That you read here, me came into you.
Yeah.
You have to watch it and keep us safe and go again.
I'm
Like
one.
you drive around the whole of Chile and do something.
You do 30. You do 30 now.
Watch it, Bossy.
You mean my watch it? You want the panny? See budget there.
Rasta TV.
Ford. I go and drop asleep, brother. I go lie down and say I forward and I drop asleep. You see me, I see all last time I out. I come in, I pass my way, I just I talk to him and the next thing you know, I carry him and drop asleep. I go club to go last night.
Where?
Up a bit of it.
I'm going to see you up there.
I left man, and I see Jamie up there.
I'll be in regular spot.
I see Jamie come so. And I go. I pick again, pick things. That's true, man. You start praying, man, say, mad, you know.
Alright, you see, boy, just when everybody video me talk about me, boy, about. Eh? Tell me, say, oh, me just come here and see you look like that. So, farmer were there before, you never do this when me do. Now, me and my farmer's ID. If you want to buy something, you have to come check me. I buy it for you.
Yeah.
And you deliver how much years. So them things like document it to be sure they kind of come from nowhere from read somewhere. You're going to learn to read too. You know?
Alright, man.
The whole environment polluted. Look now, I have video there and tell them say, yo, this polluted. But we are going to set it. So we are going to set it and put some hammock where you come a river and you see all one hammock there so you can lay down there your hammock liquor. We put on swing song from the big tree same way. Clean up the river every day. If we get some whitewash or wash out and sponge for you, make it look decorated. And we just do it for nothing. We don't do it for we. We are doing it for we, you and everybody. That's when we come swim it clean. So when you come, you clean as well. And when you take a second after a while, when you come back on video the next time, you see the improvement of it, and you show them where it come from. And you also really because I call tourists, you can't come and you're spot.
You know, so they used to bring. Charlie, you used to bring tourists when I say no.
No, but then tap now.
Them tap.
So that's what I do now, through them stop. The father said, give me 20,000, and I'm going to drugs for me. Because I'm coming and see 100 people stand up and say, you see them? You see all the people in there? So, me have to support me that my drugs sitting at one. One of them that must buy something and fight the blood. So, if
yeah,
give me 20,000, we'll go buy some weight of fish.
True.
Yeah, man, we're going to start that thing, we're going to start by yam. From all yam people, you see, sell yam.
True, man.
Yam and the fish. You see me?
All right, beautiful. Good? Sure. You good? Comfy. Any funny video? Oh, wait your foot. Water. Rock spring. Yeah, man, I say nature there for true, brother.
Cat big country this. The place where people just come and stay. and just bathe and nobody
Enjoy
see
themselves.
The water have life in it. People drink the water. Simple as you see water, man, sell it. Don't catch it and sell it for 6,000 a gallon for big drum and people drink it. So you don't want if you drink, you want spring water. But the people them come from all angle come drink this. So you have to video to him and show the people live off of this where you look on the right so where their life source this. Where they live off of this, don't come them start do it. But now you have video to show you where people have come from before them reach somewhere. And so other people are going to watch it and know say people have come from nowhere too. So you don't have to ready people and see people them things because and nothing people use and get them things. People are really you have some man who walk and pick them there. You know? They see blind and sell.
I sell them, you want to?
So I can sell and buy food
you know much you are still blind fan, brother.
No, I tell you, you have some man who walk and sell it. So all them things they video they see and show say them put the fruit and drop off of the tree. You can't take over them man and water and catch a man. You can't see it.
You mean man?
That's what you put the tree and tell them the fruit and drop off of the
Tree.
And then they might tell them about that.
Ah. Yeah, sell them. Them there, grapefruit. Yeah. What am I doing them? I waste them. But now use them. You know some used to go ground around the one time. Go pick pimenta. Cali around the so. So the water and the rock spring on the water side. Yeah. See the river water. The art clean like river water, right sir? Christopher. Clean like river water, right? That's the art clean like river water. They're up on the river side right now, we're going easy. See, we're up on the river side now. I'm Jenna.
You don't know what we can do with the fruit.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't know where you're going to see. You just can't make the impossible possible.
Yeah.
You don't know where you're going to see me die.
Me nigga. See me. Yeah man, we're up on the river. We're up on the river bed right now. In rock spring. See? River water, we're up on the river. On the river bank. Yeah. So this is the river bank. This is Rock Spring River. Beautiful water. You are going, Daddy? Oh yeah? Come on, me are going take some of the water, you know, on the camera. Take some of the water. So go and get some video, you know. Okay. Don't you born and grow? How long are you there now? Oh yeah? So you're born and grow then, so? Yeah. You probably know me then, man. More name it now, Chelsea, you know me now. You're born and grow then, so? You don't be surprised. You have Clinton and you have Lindell. Yeah. But I live at Fremantle. I'm Miss Price, the Ruby sister.
So you belong, Fremantle?
Yeah, Miss Price grew me. Then I used to go to Cali, go pick pimenta, and there's one little baby with him on his shoulder in her hand all the time. She have a bag on her head, with it on her back. It was 3 boy man. It was 3 of us. One taller, one next one, and me I was the baby. And me I the baby.
And I done yourself.
Yeah.
Your origin.
Yeah man. So we used to go to Cali, you know. Yeah. Up with pimenta around there, so you go around. Yeah, Cali, yeah. Round, so yeah. Yeah man. Calpan, okay. Calpan, yeah.
So over there. Beach.
Yeah.
And ESPN. Them control the whole of them.
Yeah man, come so over here so from them time there until now, you know.
I used to price that me and my Clinton and family there.
Yeah, right, that's it, yeah man. No? What are them? So you have Boswell and you have All of them.
Bardwell Price.
Bardwell Price.
Bardwell used to live around from the school road down there.
Yeah, me know. And them there they have Miss Yule around there, some Jerry them and them people there. Yeah, man.
Then you have to tell me about Miss Yule.
Yeah.
I tell you about Jeremiah.
Jeremiah, yeah.
Blood clot, then I have to your father, you have to your son.
Yeah, man.
How you could have know them, the people?
Some people don't know them. I tell them, Jerry. I miss Yule start one whole heap of sorry in a yard plant. Plant a hope of sorry in the house.
That means. It's the man who had the baby after you're supposed to know.
Miss Ruby.
Miss Reed.
Miss Reed, yeah. And their sister. Miss Reed and Miss Ruby, her sister, man. Yeah. I mean, I tell him. Miss Reed also, Miss Reed and Miss Yule and her sister, man.
I don't know how you come. I don't know how you're born.
Yeah. Them that, I think them that Canada when I time or something like that. Yeah.
I remember when I go out to the start all the night I would sit down on the phone upon Kaibo.
Yeah.
I was so one TNT. TN used to be up like fuck it.
Yeah.
All of them soft, you know, you see. TN used to be like fuck it. All that they was so that one dream together.
Yeah.
I would come at night time, you know, and I would take the cane by the back.
Yeah, and just pull it, boom.
Boom!
God.
Sometimes we would go so. And then think I saw it down. You know, dance.
Yeah.
We just go on the time, stop and watch them.
Yeah, yeah. Because I think Miss Ruby live across the walk. You have to walk. How does Ruby live again? On the side, right? On the side of the spot. They have to cross the water to go by here sometime. Yeah. Yeah. You know over there again, right?
No.
I remember one time I come here with my walk past the water. You go over there. Yeah, man. You have to walk over there, man.
Keep them down, woman.
Yeah, me know, man.
Protect them.
Yeah, you're right.
And so we'll have to go. But I think it's better to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, picture and lecture.
Real, man.
Real, man. 3 years ago, I come.
Yeah.
So, I'm not going to go back home.
I'll show you the town.
But center, they get fitness center.
Okay.
But that town first, that's one of that center. Come back, with that Spanish town, with that link. Let's not link to that center.
Okay.
But we cut the knife on it. And I was going to the island and then stay there.
Yeah.
Sleep and man come knock me up on the bed.
Yeah.
I said, I carry you home now.
Yeah.
Pack up the something and come there, carry you home now.
Yeah, man.
I just pack up the tools to the fire and they just pick up the bed and just pick up the mattress and just put it on the bed and put it in the car. All of them have come on the road and say, "You are 9 years to read." So yeah, man. So, he said, "No, you're not an actor, you know. When them say you're too rich, you know, next week."
Next week, yeah.
Yeah, man, you're too rich, man. No, I said nothing. No, you try all the fun. Don't have the actor, sir. Like I'm going to come on the car now.
Yeah.
Come with it. Okay. Turn left. Right at a big tree. Turn left right on the wall. Go down the tree. So you're too rich for you. I went out, if you trying to reach, come up a top shop.
Yeah.
That's what I mean, man. I tell you something, man. I'm going up on your left hand side here, sir. So, I beg you, no keep to that side of the 2-2.
Yeah, kind of one.
See, I'm going to come up in front of you.
Too
You know,
close.
but I keep to that side of the 2-2 I'm over.
Yeah.
Make him lick you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just hear myself. Come on, I can reach on the class. He didn't say, right? He said, no. But straight up. He's so rich, man. And he put on the other corner. He said, driver, easy to ride down to now. I have a turn in one day. So then you reach. It's a parker.
You said the same man you know me from John was a little boy then, man.
Yeah.
What the fuck him come and ask me to Parker? You know me? So young man, you and Parker this and you and Parker that the whole of you know used to be this and over this and round this and... Yeah. Yeah, long donkey you know to Parker, you know. Long time you to Parker. And you see me, so I just say...
Oh, so you go, yeah.
Huh? I want to touch them, and he come to here to Blood Street and he run the structure. I like to see them sit around there.
What? Others they can swim.
Where?
Then they say swim there. You jump down
Ah,
this way.
man, you don't come from here.
Right now we're on the water side. So now in a rock spring there going all of life to Elder. You know? I was with Elder. So 90. What was it like when I saw back in the days, like, you know, your time as a youth?
I like it. When it's in our youth years now, we have to like it because they are youth, you know what I want, so we have to stay in night and
Oh, yeah. Okay.
After that now, we run out of it, you know.
Yeah.
But it's right, you know. The most thing you see the right, you know, then I want to chicks, grass lights.
Grass lights, okay.
Right,
Back them time you never used to go on, and you're quiet and nice when you're youth. Okay.
Them time there, we run things the rocks.
No, I told man.
You never have no money, but now I'm just drive for Florida, man.
Yeah, man.
Man, nice.
You know, when a nice way, them come one time the tourists them would have come around there, so. But them stop you now, like, you know.
Nice,
They're nice, you know, them bring back the tourists them there. You see? We're up on the water side, then you say,
nice,
vlog, vlog, you know. Yeah, man. I want to make you feel, you know?
Boat. Come back.
Yeah.
Be like that boat tomorrow. I eat that.
Yeah.
Food without cooking. And sleep. Run to the ganja.
You mean, man?
Like that.
It is right, it is right.
A little later on when we come out and do it. Okay.
Yeah. Really, man.
Cock up my foot here to see how I really do this.
Great, 90 on the riverbank, you know? All over there going easy. You want to take a picture down there, sir? You want to take a picture down up on the water? You can't take a picture for me. Bring my phone coming right here. Bring your phone in. I want to take a picture, eh? Bring it to them, bring it to them. See water, man. I mean, in place nice for them, man, see? You know what I mean? Yeah, you see? Yeah, man, really nice, man. Like them thing, I know, nature, you think there, you know. Water, you know. Beautiful living water. Keep you cool, you know. Oh, you can jump over water though. The picture we're going to take from the water side. So, what I'm hear, you know? Yeah, that's why I tell them how I come. Find the water. Just trying to get an idea, you know.
Tell him, my brother, tell him. You know, tell him?
Yeah.
I'm working for the cousin, man, sir.
When you want to go on, alright?
Yeah, man.
Ah. Don't you come from mommy?
Yeah, me born and grow.
Born and grow?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, which part of you?
Run Rock Spring.
Oh, Rock Spring side, okay.
Born and grow in the Premier League.
Oh, just like 90.
No, my mother miss. She used to grow up and miss. Yeah, man, me and Fiona them are sisters.
It's Ruby, I'm a Ruby.
It's Ruby, I'm my grandfather, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Eh? You? Eh? Tell my mother, man. Tell my mother.
Which part of you live? Clarendon?
No, we're on a Rock Spring one.
Okay.
Yeah, man, my grandfather.
grandfather.
She put sand and stuff and build sugar river, take you and carry it down. You know what sand take away and stuff? The man that work 7 days a week, man, they don't work for people, man. 7 days a week, them man that work.
Oi.
Them man that don't work for people, yeah.
What going on, brother?
I work for people 7 days a week.
And them come from ground.
This house, a big like the house, we don't have to the hill, man,
Yeah, man.
You see, I'm like a man who used on bicycle, I got along business. This house, the Jesus, and them dog, they are hunting yard. And you have to cook regularly, you have your hunting, you know.
Yeah.
So we don't have no dog, and we live like a free dog.
Yeah.
Put it on the video, man. Go back a yard and watch every crease and corner of Jamaica. All them sit down, you know that.
Real, man.
Yeah, man, if you know down Satino, man, because we don't know none of them parties.
Yeah. I got me a call you from earlier to say, oh, I swear I go ask. I say,
Anything you say,
yes, man, respect it.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
Yeah.
I'll come back tonight.
No, that is only for this man much. Friday. Yeah, man. Friday after I make some money.
I come there, man, I look up and say, you come here to see me for me. You're busy.
I want to do a whole.
Issue had enough when you're feeling.
Yeah, no. I want to do a whole tour around the place and
man, 4 days party, man.
Yeah, man.
Some banana down there, that's a really different place. Some of the videos, some people you never see it. Some kind of animal you know, Sydney.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we know them spot them, man.
For real, me tell you.
The whole place is for real. I love nature and that's why I go there and look past and see the man who come here and you understand?
Man. Jamaica Life. Push out TV. You see me I say? There, so. You're going there? I'm going there? So we are going to man.
Let me say,
yeah, you mean you can't see me like and tell me say you're not grown, so?
I tell if I'm man, I don't need to pursue you. So if I'm not coming and I'm safe from what they say, Lord, God, I don't know. They don't know what you're doing.
Some of them I look for me, I don't know what I can't find.
You know, you shouldn't come and football. You know, you know me as a boy, not nothing.
Yeah.
For a long time, you know me, I'm stable. I today holiday, I'm still up on the hunting. Don't you have the taxi man, I'm saying, you really can't tell man to what else is me not fear. So I'm still out there every day, I'm
real, man.
I'm very looking food.
Right now we approach Clarkstown. This is Clarkstown. I tried to this place earlier. It never worked out, so you know what I mean? But I'll do it again. This is town of Clarkstown. Today is Tuesday, the road don't look so busy like before. So for some reason, I don't know why the road them not as busy as it is. Stop here look a second. Isn't it? Because you know, yeah. This is Clarkstown, it's a small town. So not much to really go on that town, and it's like a small town. You know? So I kinda look come up the road there so I have a look and see if my car right. But this is Clarkstown, this is over there, you know. You know what I mean? You know what's wrong with that? Eh? What if you get it? Give me one now. You know what's wrong with $1? Don't move yet, man. You know me have it, man. Look first. You cannot get up and me don't know me have it. See, you know me not have it though. Oh, man, you're lucky here. You're lucky to me have it. What's your name? Robbie, where you come from? Dennis? Where's you come from? Long time live, boy? You know your lady name Miss Maggie while you run so? I live on Short Town or something. That's in Short Town, right? And you married to a man named Bam. You have to study over here so many King last time you have a son. You want to know my son? You still friends though. My papi, you know my papi? In a Clarkstown there. I'm a granduncle then. Yeah, man, I'm a pastor. But you can't make you look at them, yeah? Ah, man. Ah, yeah. So this is Clarkstown. We're in right now. And this thing I keep dying on me. Yeah, this thing I keep dying on me every minute. But I don't know. What is the phone? Let me phone me. I got to saw you before in the video of these things because keep dying on me here. But this is Clarkstown, people. So I will never know this is Clarkstown, and it's a small town. I drive through Clarkstown right now on a trelawny. I understand. Yeah. So you know what things said. Yeah, so all the Clarkstown people so no place here, so no place here, so no place here. Yes, that's no place you can't really hide in as much as you so them know say yo, you're foreigner, you're this and that, so them start you know, they want this and they want that. Rather than I go through Duncans, I go through Duncans. Yeah, me I drive down towards Duncans. So only hope this thing don't dead on me by the time I reach Duncans. You know what I mean? I gotta use my phone to do follow me because this thing here keep messing up. I'm going going through Duncans right now. You understand? Duncans are going through right now. So I'm driving to Clarkstown, passing the whole sugar estate. Yes, I'm put up. Going to the sugar estate, passing there. Going up Portland. For that. Yeah, we're gonna have carried in front of me. A old police shape Corolla. Still going. That car's like a 90, 91. Yeah, it's still going, you know? Still going strong. We're gonna block me door. Yeah, we're going to mess of cars. Yeah. That guy only have one light. Brake light in my car. So tomorrow I'm gonna the day in the life of a taxi man. I'm gonna do that tomorrow or something. So more find a taxi man. Yeah, so that's a big truck coming right there. You have to be careful on these streets, you know? Yes, and I'm going from Clarkstown to Duncans. You understand? So I'm just saying things. Yes, this is what we do. I'm driving around Jamaica life. Driving around, same thing. You know what I mean? So, oh gosh, what that? I'm afraid of me. I'm scared of this. Yeah, so we are doing right now. We're driving around Jamaica. Yeah, brother. So I just say things that people, you know what I mean, driving through Jamaica streets and down this street are about to approach now. So the seats of Jamaica nice. Please don't to like and share and subscribe and leave a comment as well. Yes, you can leave a comment. There's a comment section down at the bottom. You see why the bottom still, but no, we're not a bottom, so see it here. So you guys can leave a comment and leave something there. Around Firm Gully, one of them there too. Yeah, so maybe I'll go to Kingston tomorrow from this side down to Firm Gully, yeah? Yeah, man. Alright, so you guys know some half a charge of that thing. So my battery are dead, people, so I have to get my charger out and wire. So I have to charge this thing here before it run out of juice for me, you know. So that's what I gotta do from the other day. So I walk with extra chargers because this thing here give me a fight from the other day, not charging up the right way. So I have to bring extra charger. Yeah, so I have an extra battery. Yeah, so this place we're approaching right now. Yeah, this place we're approaching right now is called, I think this is Duncan's. Yeah, we're going into Duncan's right now. The next parish in Trelawny. Trelawny is really big enough, people. Some people don't know about Trelawny is a big place, you know. It's a really big place. Some people gonna feel small, so yo, at Trelawny, this is a big place anyway. Charlie Black said, Trelawny me born and grow. Alright, so we'll turn back the camera around so we can see the place now. Okay, so here we go now, we're in Duncan's right now. We're in Duncan's Trelawny right now. Going towards Falmouth. So here we go again now, people. And this is also our next place in Trelawny where, you know. The carpet country already, so we are going to the next part then now. So some nice places in Jamaica. Have some nice places down here as well. In Duncan's, yeah, Duncan's Hill. We have some beautiful houses. You know what I mean? So you can't come by a house again. Yeah. So let's have some beautiful house and Duncan's a nice place to live, man. A lot of people live down here. You know? A lot of people with their money. Live down here. Vlog, you know? Something I do today. So this is what I'm doing today, and I'm driving today, showing you places. Show you guys some places that you guys don't know exist in Jamaica. So I'm showing around. I'm going to tour the place, no? Even not tour, not tour the place, see? There, this is Duncan's town. This is Duncan's. I don't know what other place is, but something other place. A plaza or something. You know what I mean? Taxi man them there, huh? So this is Duncan's. Have a roundabout. gas station on the side there. Whole heap of something. Duncan's a one nice place there. Duncan's a one nice place there. Actually, I would live in Duncan's, you know. For real. I would live down here, so. No, I'm telling a lie. I live in Duncan. Mommy, where you sell? Mommy, where you sell yourself? Shut up, man. Where you sell? Beg you something now? Huh? Beg you something now? Beg you something? Huh? We can't see the glasses them. But I said, beg you something now? Give me your money. Tomorrow. Yeah, be good, man. Alright. Alright, mommy. Yeah, so I don't count this. You used to have a cane man right here, so I may look at me see. But I don't see him. I don't see the cane man, I see fruits and things that's about. No cane there, a cane man there today, I was gone. I didn't run in my friend son. But where cane man there? Him gone. That's so? Lord God, cane man gone. Nobody not have no cane. Somebody had some food there. I mean, yeah, man, so. Yeah, Duncan's a nice place. I know me I go to Falmouth, so. Sorry, roll with me from Duncan's to Falmouth. So today is Ben on the people might tell this. Yeah. I must say this, a long time. Long time now. I'm gonna go to Falmouth. Long time now I'm gonna go to Falmouth. I don't even know how Falmouth set up. Them, you know what I mean? Them change up Falmouth here. So I don't know how it's set up. So even last on the video, I just saw it because honestly, I don't remember Falmouth like that because them changed it up and all these things. You know what I mean? So I just try to do my best and find my way around town. You know what I mean? Falmouth, here we come. Push out TV, 2020, Jamaica Live. You see what I say? Because I do some tour around Jamaica. Jamaica Live. I go down and still up so. It's very beautiful and that. You know, we can't put the camera up here right now. So this is the highway. Yeah, so you have to be very careful on here because you have some unskillful drivers down here. So yeah, people. So this is the way to find right now. So Mandeville there. Right now, so I'm going to the place at Mandeville where I'm going to rent, you know what I mean, it's like an Airbnb. So I'm on the way to the Airbnb in Mandeville where I'm going to stay. So I never stayed there before, so I'm going to give my reviews on it. I was reading the reviews online and they said it's you know what I mean, it's a pretty nice place to stay, decent place. So I'm going to go there and do my review and put in my 2 cents in it. You understand? Yeah. So people when they're not foreign, I even have no money if you go to a hotel or no. I just want something nice, decent. And you know, for decent little price. If you don't want to spend a bunch of money and don't want to come to Jamaica, this is like a place where you can come and rent from to as well. Mandeville. There's a place here in Mandeville, so if you don't want to stay, like, you know what I mean, like a hotel you want to go out of the tourist areas. Mandeville is a place as well where you can stay. Nice, nice place up here. Listen me, Mandeville have some nice place here that you can stay as well. This is Mandeville right now. See, it's a rainy day today, so you know, a lot of water out here today because it's raining and all this stuff and all this good stuff. You know what I mean? There's KFC over there to your left. The line is long, always long. KFC line always long. You know what the Colonel put in the chicken, you know? Yeah, this is Mandeville. Cool Mandeville. So later on, let me get the Airbnb. I gotta get some Wi-Fi so I could contact the guy for the Airbnb, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I gotta do right now. Yeah, so this is Mandeville. So later on I'm gonna show you the Airbnb. Later on I'm gonna show you guys the Airbnb. I'll stay and tell the price and you can get some of the stay without no heap of money. You understand? Alright, so it's nice out of Asapa as well. I guess their apartments and things, but yeah, so nice place where I am. You understand? So I turn this off and then come back. Yeah, see the grabber, good, the hot grabber. If there was a cartel, say hot grabber, you know. Hot grabber, yeah.
Good thing then.
Yeah. Oh, you good, man? No, me actually the local business, you know. So people can know if you come in here. You see me I say. So you never know who can see it, you know. Over there, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man, I go over there, man. They probably not going to video them, you know, watch her now. Them not going to do it because female, different, you know. Female funny, you know. Sorry, oh, sorry, mommy. Oh, yo. Call out for sale. Go on. What is the shop name where, sir? Every time I come at different son, we see sir. You wasn't here last year?
Last year?
Yeah. Nah, I never you there sir, last year, man. You never there, because I me come and take up the things last year, remember?
You come and do it?
I go like this and grab them and like run off at the me, you know?
Are you?
Yeah.
I mean, there.
I never you there.
No, every day you see me tomorrow, I look different.
No, I never you, man. Two girls sing, but you never there. Yeah, you never there. You see me? So it's color on the other side there, so. The good thing them over, so. Eh? And push out TV. Push out TV, yeah. So we have these small vendors and them something there. You know what I'm saying? In a market and in a town. Yeah. Promote the business. M&J where so a Christian if you don't want to on a perfume or something them and you know what I mean? You come over here, so M&J. You see it? I just say things said. You see me? And so Alberton, brother, I got Alberton, yeah. Taxi man said way. And Alberton didn't come from still now, but I them I go. I go on. Alberton for the ready taxi. Alberton. Alberton, taxi me at work, you know. Yeah, I just said things set.
Yo, shut up, taxi man. Yo! Yo! Which bag you have to take one?
Yo, we left have a cassava piece, my yo. Cassava piece, we left that too.
Cassava piece?
Yeah, you love me there now, ain't it?
What about ton?
Yeah. Yeah. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, I soup man, so I soup man there. How about brother? Think good? Ah. I soup man there, so. Yo, how go on, brother? Oh, go on. Yeah. No, big me, I big up your man. You see me, I say. You see soup man, we don't want soup. Yeah, the park man, the Christian. Yes, the soup man, yeah. Yeah, the good soup there. What kind of soup you have, brother?
It's red peas.
Red peas?
With chicken foot.
Alright. So you can find yourself every day, though? Every day. See, soup man, a real soup man. You know what I mean? I say, Mr. Big up yourself if people don't know if you find it. You see me, I say? Alright, angle your candle, man. You see? You see the good soup man, I say? You don't come a Christian and come and find, come here to come drink the soup. Real soup man. Local vendors, you see me, I say? For real, my Jenna. Yeah. I go on, sister. Yeah. So I think so. Cut me out for a rain with me now. How go on, brother? How go on? Feel good? The business not going good? The business not going good?
Well, sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Alright, let me give thanks to the Lord.
Give God thanks to life.
Yeah, man.
Greatest thing that we have.
Yeah, man. You want to go on? How go on, brother? Huh? Come on, moment. How much apple meat this morning? Eh? You want apple? How much apple meat this morning? Oh no, no apple. It's some old this morning. No apple. No apple. Yes, brother. Oh no, brown man. Eh? No, I'm not video. I'm video place, you know. You want to go on it? Eh? No, push out TV. Push out, not yard. Yeah. Yes, I put one on body. What you say? Yo, mobile one fire, see? Hold on, mobile one fire, hold on. Wagwan. Apple bars, wagwan. The business go good? Respect. Apple let me put it on. Wagwan. Apple I sell, help me sell apple. I'm help me sell it. Help me sell apple. Good man. You don't want to help. You want someone?
You know,
So hold on, let me go sell off all of them right now. So don't want to help. That's enough. See apple them here. Apple over here, sir. Nice apple them. Sorry, brother.
See black apple, man.
Listen, what's up, brother? What you want to go on, brother? Doing good? Yeah. Roast breadfruit. Roast or fry,
Roast and fry, all the way, brother.
Yeah, roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
And the breadfruit lady?
Yeah.
What's your name? And who?
Andrea.
Andrea, so if you want to find, if you get breadfruit, then can find you.
Christiana.
You have a number?
Yeah, man.
Wait, tell me the number, man. Are you saying Andrea name?
Yeah.
Breadfruit lady?
Yeah.
See breadfruit lady, I know.
Christiana.
Christiana.
Yeah.
So if you want breadfruit, we go have foreign, I just let them come.
Yeah. Any amount they want.
Any amount of breadfruit you want, and they can come right here, so come get the breadfruit then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the breadfruit them nice. See them now?
Yeah.
Breadfruit them now. Hey, you like breadfruit them now? So what? I'm going to want some breadfruit we carry me now. Zin? Or we can get them from you? Give me a, write it, how many the number give me? Sorry, man. You have to peel them for me carry them, too. So see the breadfruit lady here. You want breadfruit. So all the breadfruit business go, mommy. You want breadfruit, mommy? Huh?
Kind of scarce.
Come on, want some breadfruit bringing me now.
Yeah, man.
You see me? We have to peel them first.
No, no peeling. Just file them.
Just want that file?
If you want peel, you can peel it.
Oh, how much you say one them for? What you sell them for?
You have 3, 4, and 5.
3 and 4 and 5. Okay. Oh, the smaller one them for like 5? Okay. So the breadfruit lady, I said, if you want to find a lady, the breadfruit, if you got foreign, she's right here. Come on, some breadfruit carry, man. Alright. My name Carl here. So I call you. I'm not on the phone right now for call, that's everything, I mean. So I'm going to get a phone. Alright. Bless yourself, here. Ah. That's Christiana. Tipper. Oh, go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, everything good, man. Yeah, man, I'm there, man.
Alright, we'll get it.
Ah, yeah, brother. Ah. Yeah, brother, I'll go on. So, this is the great Christiana on a Monday. And on my shoes. So, yeah, that's what I think, sir. Yeah, I'll go. Shoes. Huh? Nah, show me a video. Oh, yeah. Where's it now? You want to go on it? Alright. Where's the business yourself? So I said, man, want the clothes, I said, come. What's your name? One Dan. Big up yourself, Jenna. Big up yourself, yeah, man. So we say when they want the thing, I say them to come. The good thing, them. Alright, the boss. What you mean? So you have a number you want to put on the video so everyone can know.
My number 919-1085. You see me?
Alright.
Mad dog, man. 04955878 OG One Dan Production.
Alright, and which part of where's the name again? In front. In front
JN Bank.
JN Bank.
Yeah man.
Right place. Yeah man, for real man. For real. So no one of the good things them wanna come right so. Mummy you sell too? I sell you sell. Who I sell? Who I sell again? Who I sell? You want the paper then you come here so? No. What's the all him now? You see all him? Yeah. 1 tomato and something else so. If you don't want apple. If you want the orange then I see the orange man. Him? Yeah. So if you don't want the orange them is sweet orange them. You know what I mean?
And they show them see what they put them.
Oh you can, yeah. Whoa, yeah. You can't go on it. You want this? Yeah. If you want to show them the right stuff. Sweet orange. See sell them, you know?
Yeah.
Big up the local vendor them, you know. You see me I say? So who are the vendor for this one?
I'm saying one man.
Are you saying, oh, that's
I'm
no, we can't with the baby. We can't with the baby, you know? Yeah. Them nice, man. So we don't want the good thing, they will have to come right this at Christmas. Face and bar for this stuff. Vendors. Them not pay me no man. Them don't want to go on it. Are you want to say that, sir? Are you want to say that, sir? If you want the pumpkin, them can't come here and say no. You see that, the good pumpkin, them the right, that's up. So when you come a Christian, yeah, the good food them and something, yeah, brother. So the pen them right, you see it? Down a town and up a town.
So you set the bar.
Yeah, man, how business going for you, brother?
I don't know you hear something like wicked.
Oh, yeah?
Like a virgin, man.
Yeah, but you still live though, don't you?
But you know, I go already. Police are you see how you do it.
Oh, yeah, man, for real, man. Better than thief, you know, you see me? Gusta, man. For real. Vendors, come, hello, mommy. Pumpkin lady. So now tell me the pumpkin and business, man. I be a laugh, she laugh, you know. Yo, push out TV. Yeah, man, push out TV, man. Yeah, man. I'm going to go from that side and we can stick better. Yeah.
Damn me a waste.
The good thing them in a Christian girl Chester. You know what I mean? Good thing them. In a girl Chester. Sorry, yeah, the good thing them. So all the girls them want to go on a beach party or something. See the something them here? See them here? Yeah. Some Miami style, see there? Okay. Ladies don't want the nice lingerie something them. Go up on the beach, see them here? Ah, what's the Gaza? Right. Real life. Real. See it? Me? Eh, son? Hey, one. Myself to show people Jamaica and show the place. Yeah. I'm going to tell you I'm like a Christian, I'm like that. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, you good? Huh? So big up yourself. Oh, you saw the grabber? Alright. Say we don't want grabber. Say we don't want grabber, see grabber yourself.